What's going on, everyone? Back, got another video here. So as you can see, my S12, I had it towed home and it wasn't starting, so I was trying to figure out why. And a couple weeks back, my boss, he ended up touching my signal wire that goes to my starter. It's a little spade connector, it's a single wire. So I was like, so I decided to drive the car to go pick up some more supplies from the store, and sure enough, the car left me stranded. So I said, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna dive into it and figure out what wire it is. So I chased the wire, cut off the connector already. I don't know if it's kind of hard to tell, but let me see if you guys can see if it'll focus. The wire's green on the inside, so it's all corroded. And, I don't know if we can get a good color there, but so I traced the wire and it goes all the way to this fucking relay box. And just like that, after a little bit of a rewire, the car's ready to hit the road again, reliably. Piece of shit wire, that's the aftermath right here. Sick.